Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, we're out here at a salvage. Lots of cars. So I'm trying to find a center console for the single cab truck, the kind that fold down but are still a seat. So I was just out here checking this Crane's Auto Salvage, but I haven't had much luck yet finding a console. Most of them are already jacked. There's a nice little bed cover. Anyway, let me switch all around here. Yeah, you can see here, this is the same as what I have. Man, that headliner though, look how clean that headliner is. Dang. Should have confiscated that one. But yeah, I'm trying to find one of these type center consoles. Now, I was able to confiscate this mirror. Has the compass and stuff in it. So hopefully this will hook up to my truck with the same connector here. I'm not sure, but we'll go ahead and get it anyway. Other than that, there's nothing really in here that I need. It is nice that it has the vinyl in there though. Even like these little clip things here are super hard to find. Also, I've been looking to see if any of these have like the lower valance panel. That would be kind of slick to have if there wasn't bed liner in it. This looks like a Dodge here, I think. Yep. We already looked at that one right there. As you can see, there's cars all over this place. See if there's any newer ones down here. Definitely could get all kinds of stuff out here. Oh man, here's an old OBS. Let's just see what the OBS has. Nice. Could definitely confiscate some stuff out of here if you needed to. Power seats even. There's an OBS Tahoe Suburban. Definitely have to enter these places at your own risk. That's for sure. Let's see what's in this Tahoe. Yeah, see, there's a big center console if I wanted it. These seats were better off. I don't think there's another OBS right over there. They cleared out a lot of cars. I was hoping for like a newer vehicle to where I could find like a newer center console. There's another Suburban over here. You could definitely confiscate you some door panels and everything. This looks like another OBS. Yep. With the door missing. Definitely some hidden treasures. Another OBS extended cab. That one still has the same seat I got. No luck there. So we'll just try again next time. They're always shuffling cars in and out of here all the time. Hopefully we'll get a better turnout next time. This is my go-to spot for trying to find these small end parts, because they're even open on Saturday and Sunday, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, as you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff here. Every little thing you can think of. Let's see what's in this big Suburban. Same thing. I don't think I see any. There's another OBS blue one over there, extended cab. It would be badass to work, or to just gather a little bit of each thing out here and make you a vehicle that ran. Kind of like a junkyard wars kind of thing. Oh, let's see what we got over here. Another Tahoe Suburban. Oh man. See, there's another center console, but the lid's off of it. Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for, but just one that ain't busted up. And this one had the big center console in it. They even got an engine on top. Freaking crazy. Enter at your own risk, they said. This'll be fun, they said. They even got a whole bunch of other cars like over there. There's another one, but as you can see, same center console. Oh wait, what do we have over here tucked in? Y'all tried to hide it from me. Is that a Dodge? Oh, it's a Dodge. Alright, well, I think that's about it. Yeah, there ain't much to this video other than just showing y'all kind of where I be trying to find my odds and end parts. Because you can get the stuff pretty cheap here, and they be running these cars and stuff out of here in and out pretty fast. But yeah, I got this mirror here. That's about the only good find I could find. So we'll check it out and see if the compass and the temperature work. That'd be pretty sweet. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet. Alright guys, so y'all know I picked up this mirror that has the temperature and the compass, and this is the one that's in here now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, swap them out, and we'll see if we get lucky. All right, as you can see, we got her swapped out. They actually had the same connector. And I'm pretty sure that this thing has the auto dimming feature as well. So let's see what happens. Oh man. Now I heard you can do this. And it'll reset the temperature. But as you can see there, we have compass. And I don't know what it's saying for temperature there. It says OC. So we might have to Google that, but the passenger thing works. So the compass works. So let me research on what the OC means.